Hello, my name is Lizelle Pereira, and this presentation is a reflection of my internship experience with Fulton County government as part of CIS 4970. During this internship, I had the opportunity to work on real business reporting projects, improve dashboards, and gain hands-on experience applying the skills I learned in the Computer Information Systems program. I interned with Fulton County government in a technology and report supporting role. My responsibilities included helping improve Power BI dashboards, organizing data for reporting purposes, supporting operational visibility, and assisting with dashboard enhancements based on stakeholder feedback. A large part of my role involved in translating business needs into dashboards that were easier to understand and more useful for decision making. One of the most important projects I worked on was redesigning an ERP operational dashboard. The dashboard tracked execution statuses such as successful and failed runs. Over time, users needed clear reporting, better organization, and a structure that could support future live data updates. There was also a need to separate applications reporting from integrations and jobs reporting so that users could focus on the information most relative to them. My responsibilities included redesigning dashboard pages, updating KPI cards, and improving charts, organizing filters, and making tables easier to read. I also worked with data query structures, research connection methods, and participated in meetings to gather feedback and understand changing requirements. This taught me that dashboards are never about visuals, they also need to solve business problems. While I did learn a lot during this internship, there were also a lot of challenges that I also learned how to overcome. One of the challenges was updating an existing dashboard without breaking visuals or data connections. Another challenge was dealing with static data while planning for future dynamic data through SQL connections. I also had to interpret feedback from multiple stakeholders and convert those comments into actual dashboard improvements. This required both technical skills and communication skills. To solve these challenges, I first learned the importance of making changes safely. Instead of editing the original report directly, I duplicated pages and tested updates separately. So when it was uploaded to the cloud, I just didn't break the entire file, because that would be a problem. And I also researched semantic models, gateways, SQL connections, and Power BI best practices to understand how dashboards can scale in production environments. When requirements are unclear, I ask follow-up questions and use meetings to confirm priorities before making changes. This process saved time and prevented mistakes. The final result was a cleaner reporting structure with separate pages for applications and integrations or jobs. This made navigation easier, improved visibility into operational performance, and created a better foundation for future live data integration. Well, most importantly, the dashboard became easier for business users to understand quickly, which increases the value of the report. My major accomplishments during the internship included building and designing multiple Power BI dashboards, improving report usability, participating in stakeholder meetings, and help solve reporting challenges. I also gained exposure to how reporting works in a government environment where reliability, clarity, and efficiency are also important, as long as just getting real world office experience, being in those meetings with everyone and learning how to communicate. And I think I've really improved my skills on that, and just learning better time management. And I've learned so much, I think, through this internship, and I think it's really important to get real experience, because it's so much different than just taking notes in class and stuff. My biggest takeaways were that communication is just as important as technical skill, and that asking the right questions early can prevent larger issues earlier, which is something I struggled with during school, but it really helped me during my internship. I also learned that successful analysts do more than build reports. They understand users, adapt to feedback, and solve problems. The most important takeaway for my career is that technical ability creates opportunities, but communication and professionalism create long-term success. In summary, this internship was a valuable learning experience that helped me grow technically and professionally. I improved my Power BI and data skills, strengthened communication and problem-solving abilities, and gained real-world experience that prepares me for the next step in my career. This internship also strongly confirmed my interest in data analytics and business intelligence as a career path. I enjoyed turning operational data into useful insights and creating dashboards that support decision making. This experience also gave me more confidence in working in a professional environment and showed me how classroom skills can create real business impact. Thank you for your time.